3, 2, 1, let it drop. What's up guys, Christian here, and today we have the iPhone XR and we're gonna drop test this phone from 1000 feet. We're gonna hook it up to this drone. This is a DJI Inspire 2 and we're gonna fly it all the way to the clouds and then we're gonna let it drop. What's gonna happen to this phone? Will it crack? Will it survive? We're about to find out. This episode is sponsored by Vikings War of Clans. Vikings War of Clans was inspired by the famous strategy and RPG games of the 90s like Age of Empires. What makes Vikings so addictive is that more than 20 million online players are constantly changing the way the game evolves by never-ending fighting over resources, creating new alliances, and competing in live events. What I really like about this game is the amazing graphics and the live events. Support my channel by downloading Vikings for free using only my links on the description box down below and get a special bonus of 200 gold coins and a protective shield. Don't forget to look me up and join my Vikings clan. This is my nickname and let's roll. Alright guys, so here we have the iPhone XR and brand new phone. We're gonna open it and let's see what's gonna happen to this phone. So check it out guys, it feels quite solid. This is the iPhone XR and now we're gonna remove the plastic. And here you have it guys, a brand new iPhone XR. I think this phone is gonna survive the impact from 1000 feet. Alright guys, so here we have the Inspire 2 and here we have the iPhone XR. We're gonna put it on record so that maybe it records the impact. We're gonna see if this phone survives a 1000 foot drop. So here we go. Check this out guys, we are still going up. You can see the phone here hanging on the screen. We're gonna go all the way to 1000 feet and it's gonna be a long flight. There's not too much wind, so we're lucky with that. We're just gonna hope to make it land right in front of us. There we have the other drone pilot. You can see him very concentrated there. So we have to communicate a lot because we don't wanna crash on top. So we're just taking the position to drop the phone. Stay there, I'm gonna go up. All right guys, here we go. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let it drop. Oh shit. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. That was a perfect hit.
That was a perfect hit.
Look at the screen. It's
completely shattered.
It's shattered. You can see something in the phone. The back is fully intact. Whoa, that was amazing guys. The phone landed full force on the face. And this is how you destroy an iPhone XR. Well, if you can see really close, you can see that the screen is kind of working. All right guys, we're gonna get it cleaned up and we're gonna see the final results. Okay guys, so check this out. This is after the impact. We have analyzed all the damages and I'm amazed by the durability of the iPhone XR. The phone landed on its face, so that caused the screen to break. So as you can see here, it's fully shattered. The screen is broken into a million pieces. And to be honest, every phone that is gonna land on its face is gonna break, especially from that height. So anyways, the screen is fully broken, but the most amazing part about this phone is how well built this is. Like, I have used many iPhones, but not a single iPhone has felt as solid as this iPhone, the iPhone XR. So everything in this phone works except the screen. The screen, of course, is fully shattered, but I want to show you that this phone really works. So I'm just gonna try calling this number. So just check it out. So I'm just calling with my phone. I don't know if you feel it, my microphone is here, so you should be able to hear it. It's amazing, guys. This phone is a beast. is probably one of the strongest phones we have ever tested. But let me tell you, when you hold this phone, you immediately feel how solid this is. The frame feels really tough, really strong. It's a little bit heavier than previous iPhones, so I'm really amazed by the durability of this iPhone XR. So compared to previous drop tests that we have done before, we give this phone an extreme durability test score of 7.0. So there you have it, guys. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, feel free to subscribe. It's free, and make sure you turn on notifications so that you get notified every time we upload a new video. We're about to hit 1 million subscribers, so really cool stuff coming up. Thank you so much. My name is Christian, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.